The eyes are the most important part, at least when it comes to the animals. That's the first thing you look at in a photo. Now is the hard part, but the fun part.
I'm Landri W, and I'm the owner of Kingsley Creates.
Wood burning is my passion. I basically took this picture and I edited it black and white. I have my graphite paper that will help me transfer to the wood. There's no erasing, right? So like once it's on there, and once it's burned, it's burned. So there's no going back. Try my best not to burn myself. I always start with the eyes. I love working for Southwest. Growing up, I never thought of a ramp agent being a job. You come to the airport, you give them your boarding pass, you get on the plane, and you see your bag go away and never really see where it goes. The ramp agent is the person that makes sure your bag gets on the plane. I worked as hard as I could, knowing that the second I applied as a ramp agent, I wanted to be a manager one day. Whenever it's done, it all kind of comes together. It was nice to be able to hand someone a picture of maybe their pet that recently passed, kind of bring it back to life for them. It's a really good feeling.